In this video, we are going to install an SSL to our domain. Alright, so go to your cPanel and scroll down and find the SSL/TLS status, and then hit that one, and we're gonna find the domain that we want to highlight to run an SSL. And it would take a little bit time to run the SSL. Then once we're done, we're going to go to the WordPress, log into your dashboard, hover down to the plugins. Once you find the plugins, install the plugin named Really Simple SSL. Once you already installed, go ahead and activate, and we're done. That's the way how it's installed the SSL.